Here is a situation. You left for work, but when you get to your car, you found that one of your car's wheels is flat. Do you call for help? Or are you ready and can save the situation yourself? First thing you must do before you start, you need to press the emergency button. Also, your handbrakes all the way up. Here is some safety equipment that I recommend. You use the vest to make sure all the drivers see you day or night. You use a warning triangle so the driver can see you from afar. Also recommend a set of gloves and emergency flares at night. Now, because the flat wheel is on the front passenger side, we have to take two stones and put one of them in the front wheel of the driver, and the other one on the rear passenger. This will make the vehicle to hold the ground while replacing the wheels. Find the tools you need to replace the wheels. It's usually located in the trunk of your car. You need a jack handle, and a spare wheel. We will start by untightening the long nuts just a little bit. You need to find that specific spot that you can pin the jack to lift up the car. Improvise something to cut between the jack and the floor, like a piece of cardboard or a piece of wood. We should raise it enough to make sure we have enough space to change the wheel. Okay, I think that's good enough. Now we can take the long nut all the way out. Don't forget to take all of it and put it in your pocket. Bring the spare wheel and put it in the place. Put the lug nuts back to the place, but not all the way. Only after you lower down the vehicle, you can tighten it all the way. Let's take the vehicle down. Now we can tighten the long nut all the way. As you probably have seen, I tighten them across each other. That's the way to make the wheels to be tight strong. And that's, ladies and gentlemen, the last step. You all done. Thank you very much for watching.